Hello and welcome to this Talkspot tutorial on the Blog1 dashboard. Um, Here we are at the dashboard right now. On the left, of course, is the menu or various different functionalities that are offered by the Blog1 widget. If you want to return to the website editor, of course, you would go up here in the top right corner is return to site. That's the general exit from this Blog1 widget and all its various editors and other functionalities. But here I'll just add a new article here by clicking the Add New Article button. My first article. I'm just going to paste in some generic Latin text. And then maybe we want to add an image, so I'll click the Manage Media Items button in the bottom left. There's also a Manage Media Items navigational link there at the top left as well. In general, if you want to get back to the blog dashboard with all the Blog1 options and features and so forth, you're going to click up here in the top left, back to blog dashboard as it says. I'm just going to add an image here by launching the media interface here, and here you of course have the options for adding an image, a map, or a video. I'll just add an image here. Ask you to select files to upload. I'll just pick one here. So I'll just, for the sake of argument, I'll add another image just to show you the differences within. Upload that one as well. So here, if I click this second image, see how this image has use on summary. If I click this one, it'll switch use on summary, and all that does is basically allocate which image or media item will be used on the main page or on the summary page. So I'll just click done here, and it takes us back to the article editor. And then wherever you place the cursor is basically where the image is going to go. So I'll insert this one and insert that one as well. And just go save here. Save and publish. And exit just to see what this is going to look like. So as you can see, this is where it took us back to exited out of the article editor and took us back to the dashboard here. And as you can see, this my first article, spelled incorrectly, is there. But if we return to the site here, go back to where the blog posting occurs, and here's the article in the actual blog, and you can see that it has the summary image showing on the left here. And if I click the header, take to the detail of the article, which has the text and the two images. The images are always placed centrally, and the text is left aligned for the best case formatting. Below here you can see this is the comment section, and you can get back to editing the article by clicking edit this article. That will take you into the article editor. Again, if you click in the top left corner to get the dashboard and all the other options here, there's the blog articles page, which basically is just a summary of all the articles, as well as the drafts. If you had drafts in here, you would be able to publish them by using the functionality in the current status column here. Blog sharing has to do with social media. So here's my article. Click share button, and as you can see, there's options to share with Facebook, Twitter, an individual email here, or all the registered users in your website. So in the blog by email section of the Blog1 widget, we have a little toggle here. If you want to post blog articles by email, of course click yes, and that gives you all the information that you need. There's two different ways or two different types of blog by email. There's auto, which is a program that you send commands to through email to post your articles, and another option two is just a simple email posting where you have two associated addresses. One's a preview address, which is this one, blog previews, and this one, which is actually posting or publishing the article. On the top here we have you can have the instructions for auto, which is the same as click here, sent to your email address. So if I click here to see the manual, you'll see the manual is quite extensive, but it's a fun little thing to play with if you are, again, as I say, blogging remotely. If you're a boater or a hiker, or you're on the top of a mountain somewhere, and you have a satellite connection, you could send articles to your blog. This next section is the comments setup, and this is a little bit more involved. We connect with Discuss, which is a third-party portal that controls comments, articles, and so forth. And connecting to Discuss is fairly easy. You have to create an account with Discuss first of all, and then after that connect. But have more on that in another video. The other thing is blog tags. So this is adding tags. Here's a tag that's been added to this blog: Spaceman on maintenance with this. It's a little cold for some reason, testing, I guess. But you can add tags used for search engine marketing, for attaching basically Google to or getting Google interested in your articles. You would add tags here for that. And that's pretty much it for the dashboard. Thanks for watching.